Let us now in this video talk about a real-life story. Aarav was just 7 years old when his parents noticed a shift. The once playful, curious boy had become irritable, distracted, and distant. He'd spend 5 to 6 hours a day on his tablet, watching cartoons, switching between games, and refusing to put it down. Mornings were chaos. Sleep was broken. Homework became war. Even at dinner, his eyes were glued to the screen. One day, after a massive meltdown when the Wi-Fi went down, Aarav's mom broke down too. That's when they knew something had to change. They introduced new screen rules gently. No screens during meals. 1 hour screen limit, followed by 1 hour play. Tech off time is to be an hour before bed. It wasn't easy. The first week was filled with tantrums. But by week 3, Aarav started sleeping better. He rediscovered his love for drawing dinosaurs. He began talking more at dinner, and for the first time in months, he hugged his mom without being asked. Aarav didn't need a punishment. He needed presence, connection, and a little consistency.